Now, one by one, we'll be explaining the editing tool on image. And the first tool is Move tool. By selecting this tool, nothing special will happen to the image. This tool is for moving objects and elements that we insert or extract from image. For example, this image is a flat and nothing can be moved in it. This means that this is not open layer image, but there is an option called a Smart Move in its settings. In this image that looks like it has separate elements, the software can recognize these elements. By activating the Smart Move option, the software starts identifying movable objects so that it can extract moving and detachable elements from original image. It even recognizes text, scanning text. As you can see, all of these graphics are separate and movable. That's interesting. And the software tries to correct the below of the objects that are separated in the best way. In its setting, if you increase the details, the software separates more details, if it was possible for it. Any object that we move with the Move tool, there are points around the object that if we move the mouse over the 4 point at the corner and click and drag, you can change the size of the object in aspect ratio. This green point, you can rotate it. If you hold down Shift, you can rotate it with quantizing. And if you go to the point at the sides, you can do this, changing size of the object without considering the aspect ratio. After you have separated these elements, you can click or select one of them, Ctrl C, going to another image and paste on it. Very easy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.